If you're tired of struggling to make consistent profits in your trading, you're not alone. Trading can be highly emotional and stressful endeavor, but understanding the role of trading psychology can make all the difference. So, what exactly is trading psychology and how you can use it to improve your performance? In this video, we'll explore the concept of trading psychology, discuss the common emotional triggers that traders face, and provide practical tips on how to use trading psychology to become a better trader. So, if you are ready to take your trading skills to the next level, buckle up and let's dive into the world of trading psychology. But before starting, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more crypto and trading tips. Trading psychology represents the emotional aspect of a trader's decision-making process. The two primary emotions that affect traders are fear and greed, which both can lead to poor decision-making, such as going all in on one asset or panic selling out of fear. Even if a trader knows how to perform technical and fundamental analysis at a high level, a weak or anxious mind easily swayed by emotions can be highly detrimental to their portfolio, especially in a volatile trading environment like crypto. For example, greed can drive a trader to make a high-risk decision like buying a cryptocurrency at its peak due to its rapidly rising price. In contrast, fear can result in a trader prematurely exiting the market. Unrealistic expectations, losing, winning, market sentiment, and social media. These are things traders deal every day. Remember that trading is not a get-rich-quick scheme, and don't rely on an influencer's advice to buy a specific token, especially if they're sponsored. And don't be overconfident by winning and upset by losing, because trading requires discipline, patience, and practice. Let's move on to the interesting part and see how to use trading psychology to become a better trader. 1. Think long-term and set achievable goals. A realistic plan of what you want to achieve helps prevent overtrading or getting too emotional due to the unrealistic expectation. It will also help keep your focus on the long-term goal rather than short-term gains or losses. 2. Take a break. Regular breaks can provide much-needed perspective and clarity on where things stand. If you hit a string of winning trades, step back before you get carried away into overtrading. Breaks are beneficial not only for your portfolio, but also for your own physical and mental well-being. 3. Learn from your mistakes. Everyone makes mistakes when trading. Instead of getting angry at yourself or worse, go back and analyze what went wrong. Implement new strategies based on what you learned from previous mistakes, and you'll be more prepared for the next time. 4. Set rules. Create a detailed trading plan and stick to it. This plan will outline how you approach different situations and will help keep your reactions under control during times of stress. Some examples include using stop loss and take profits, limiting how much money you can gain or lose in one day, and a risk management strategy with which you're comfortable with. With a clear plan in your mind, you'll know exactly what steps need to be taken without allowing an emotional response to derail your decisions. Don't forget that becoming a good trader requires years of consistent learning and practice. There's no shortcut or life hack to getting rich by trading. Follow a strategy that suits your financial situation. Keep practicing and don't let fear or greed force you to make a decision you wouldn't usually make.